Very good morning, children. Welcome to EVS online class. Yes, we started already revision class, isn't it, children? So, SA1 revision class we started already. So, we'll continue in this class. So, we finished already 2 mains. Now, 3rd main. Write down, take down your revision book and practice it. Write down and practice it every day, children. Yes, 3rd main. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer from the bracket. Okay. So the given bracket, you have to select the answers and you have to write. Okay. So we spend most of our time in the dash. We spend most of our time in the dash. So what they given here? Bracket C, classroom, library, and playground. So you should select the answer which one is correct from the bracket. See, we spend most of our time in the dash. Where you spend the time when you enter the school? Where you will spend most of the time? So you spend in the classroom. Isn't it, children? Yes, that is the answer. We spend most of the time in the classroom. Next, come to the second one. We must put rubbish in the dash. We must put rubbish in the dash. So, see the bracket what they given? Classroom, dustbin, or bag. Where you will put all the rubbish? So, where you will put rubbish? So, you will put in classroom? No. Where you will put? You will put in dustbin. So, all the rubbish things you put in dustbin. So, now you write your answer. Dustbin. D-U-S-T, dust, B-I-N, bin, dustbin. Then come to the third one. We play in the dash. Where you will play? So, see what they given brackets. Library, classroom, or playground. Where you will play? You play in library? No. Are you playing in classroom? No. You are playing in playground. So, answer is playground. Okay. Then come to the fourth one. We should wash clothes we should wash clothes dash. So bracket is regularly, monthly or weekly. So we should wash clothes monthly? No. Mummy will wash clothes monthly or once in a week? No. She washes clothes regularly. So we wash our clothes regularly and we should wear neat, clean, iron cloth, isn't it? Yes, we should wash clothes regularly. See, all these spellings you should practice. Take down your rough notebook after the class. You take down the rough notebook and practice the spellings. Say loudly and write 10, 5 times. Isn't it, children? No. Then only you will know the spellings properly. So, regularly, regularly. Saying loudly and right. Okay? Then come to the fifth one. So fifth one is we sleep in the dash. We sleep in the dash. So bracket is drawing room, bathroom, and another one is bedroom. Where you will sleep every day. So, you sleep in drawing room? No. Bathroom? No. Then, where you will sleep? You sleep in bedroom. So, write the answer, bedroom. B-E-D, bed, R-O-O-M, room, bedroom. Then come to the sixth one. We should say dash when we heard someone. We should say dash when we heard someone. So, bracket is thanking you, sorry, and excuse me. What you will say? When you hurt someone, when you did some mistakes, then that time what you will say? You will say thanking you? No. So what you will say? Say sorry. When we hurt someone, we should say sorry. S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. Okay, children? Then, okay, these are all third main. Choose the correct answer. I am given here 6. So in this 6, I shall give 4, 5 or either maybe 6 also. So you should learn. You should learn all these. Okay, children. So we will go to next main. Before that, we recall it once. See, we play in the dash. Library, classroom or playground. We play in the playground. Answers are given here only. So you have to select the correct answer. Okay. So spelling also here only. you should write properly. See the spellings properly and write it neatly. Okay. So we play in the dash, we play in the playground. Come to the fourth. We should wash clothes dash. We should wash clothes regularly. 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 Then come to the fifth one. We sleep in the dash. We sleep in the bedroom. bed. Bed. room. Room. Then sixth one. We should say dash when we hurt someone. We should say sorry. 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 See all these spellings we have to practice in your rough notebooks. Then come to the fourth main. That is, give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. That first one. When you hurt someone. When you hurt someone. What do you say in one word? When you hurt someone, so you should say sorry. 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 This is the one word. Then come to the second one. When you ask for a pencil, when you ask for a pencil from your friend, how you will ask in one word? If you want something from your friend, so that may be pencil, eraser, or paper, or notebook, or classwork, when you will ask, so how we will ask? How we will ask? So you should add the word please. When you ask for something to others, so you should add the word. You should start the sentence using the word please. Okay. So, please give me a eraser, or please give me a classwork, or please give me a pencil. Like that you should say. So, this is please, P-L-E-A-S-E. When you ask for a pencil from your friend, not only pencil, anything. If you want anything from others, you should say the word please. Then come to the third one. When you sneeze. When you sneeze. When you sneeze. So, you have to tell. What do you have to tell? Excuse me. Suddenly, if cough comes, suddenly, if sneeze comes, so you should say, excuse me. Okay? Then come to the fourth one. When your father gives you toys. When your father gives you toys. Okay. What would you say when your father gives you toys, or somebody they gives gift to you? So if it is your birthday, your friends They give gift. So what you have to say? So you have to say thank you. Simply keeping and taking and keeping children, no. So if you take something from others, you have to say thank you. Thank, thank, you, thank you. This is the fourth main. See, give one word for the following. See, only one word you have to write. So you have to learn when you are capable to write, so you know the spellings very well, isn't it? So that's why I'm telling every day you should practice, you should learn the spellings. Take one word like this: sorry, please, excuse me, thank you. See, these are all very easy, no, to write and learn also. So you should practice every day. So when you hurt someone, what you have to say? Sorry, S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. When you ask for a pencil from your friend, so you should say please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. When you sneeze, if cough comes, sneeze comes, so you have to say excuse me, E-X-C-U-S-E, excuse me, M-E, me. When your father gives you toys, not only your father, your friends, your relatives, some guests will come, they will bring gift to you, isn't it? At that time, you have to say thank you, T-H-A-N-K, thank, Y-O-U, thank you. So this is the fourth main. So we'll see the next fifth main. Then come to the fifth main. What they given fifth main? Correlate the following. Correlate the following. So first one, living room. What you will see in the living room? You can see TV is in the living room. Like that. One more thing, you have to write the answer. What you will see in the bathroom. What are all the things you will see in the bathroom? That one thing you have to write here. What you will see in the bathroom? Soap, bucket, tap, isn't children? So write one. S-O-A-P, soap. It's easy, no? Spelling also easy. So, bathroom, what you will see in the bathroom? Soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Then come to the second one, hospital. Who is there in the hospital? Yes, doctor. We can find doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, like that. In post office. Post office, who is there? That is postman. They delivers the letter, isn't it? So you'll find in post office, postman. So come to the third one, kitchen. Kitchen. What you will do in the kitchen? Yes, mommy will prepare. What she will prepare in the kitchen? She will cook, isn't it? Yes, like that. In bedroom, what we will do in the bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Then come to the fourth one, teacher. So teacher will sit in staff room. like that. Principal. Principal will sit in where? Sit in principal's room. Okay. This is the fifth main. See, correlate the following. They given one example to you, and relating that you have to write the another one. See, in living room we can see TV. Like that, in bathroom what we will see? Soap, either soap, bucket, mug, tap. So these are all the things we will see, isn't it? So you select one thing and you have to write here. So soap, SOAP, soap I written here. So hospital, we'll see hospital. Doctor will found in the hospital, isn't it? So like that, in post office. Who is there in the post office? Postman, P-O-S-T, post, M-E-A-N, man. Kitchen, we have to use the kitchen to cook. So for cooking, we are using the kitchen like that. Bedroom. Bedroom, we are used to sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Then teacher, we will found in staff room like that. Principal. Where we'll find principal? In principal's chamber or principal's room. So this is the fifth main. You have to learn all the spellings. Okay, if you write spelling correctly, properly, then only you will get the marks. Otherwise, I'll cut the marks. Okay, so that's why I'm telling every day you should keep practice. Okay, children, then come to the sixth main. Come to the sixth main. Name the following things. Sorry, name two things. Name the two things what we see in. What we see in. So first one, kitchen. What are all the things you will see in the kitchen? Don't write all the things. Here they are asking only two things we have to write. What are all the things you will find in the kitchen? Yes, tell me. Yes. So when you enter the kitchen, you can find stove. Stove is there. Then you can find fridge. Okay. Utensils, tap. So everything is found in the kitchen now. So we have to write only two things. Then come to the second one, bathroom. So here what are all the things you will find? Write only two. That is soap, soap or mug. Soap here written now, so you write soap or mug or bucket. Okay. Soap also. So then come to the third one, living room. Living room. In living room, we'll find TV or television or sofa. Okay, if you write television, the spellings will become wrong. So make it easy to, I written here TV in short form. Okay, TV or sofa. Okay, this is sixth main. Then come to see once again, name the two things what we see in. So we see in kitchen, you can see stove, fridge, then bathroom, soap, bucket, then living room, TV, sofa. Again, I am telling you should learn the spellings. You should practice every day. Then come to the seventh main. Seventh main is write missing letters. Right? Missing letters. First one is P O dash T M dash N. Then second one M dash R K dash T S C dash O O L. Then fourth one P E dash P L E. Then come to the fifth one L I dash R A dash Y. Come to the sixth one P E dash C H dash R. Seventh one P H dash N K Y dash U. Then come to the eighth one S O dash Y. Ninth one P L dash A S E. Okay. Tenth one W dash B O W. So we have to write the missing letter. See the first one P O S T M E A N, postman. P O S T post M E A N, man. Then come to the second one market, M A R K E T, market. Then come to the third one S C H O O L, school. Then fourth one temple, T E M P L E, temple. Then fifth one library, L I B R A R Y, library. Then teacher, T E A C H E R, teacher. Again seventh one thank you, T H A N K, thank, Y O U, thank you. Then come to the eighth one S O R R Y, sorry. The ninth one P L E A S E, please. Then last one, 10th one, window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window. So these are all missing letters. You have to practice in your rough note. So I'll repeat it once. Postman, P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman. Then second one, market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Third one, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Then come to the fourth one, temple, T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. Fifth one, library, 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 library. Then sixth one, teacher, 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 teacher. Then come to the seventh one, thank you, Thank, thank, You, thank you, Thank, thank you. Then eighth one, sorry, 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 sorry. The ninth one, please, 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 please. Then tenth one, window, window, window. So in this class, we are given 7th up to 7th main. So you should practice, children. So another 2 mains are there. So I will give in the next class. So before giving that 2 mains, you should ready for the 7th main. Okay, you have to practice very well, and spellings you should practice, right? Take out your rough note and write 5 times, 10 times until you will get. So keep practicing every day. So we'll meet in the next class, children. Thank you.